What's up, Voro Mafia? This is Damon, the new tech specialist at VoroMotors. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tire on the Daytona electric scooter. First, remove the top and bottom screws with an Allen wrench. You can use the one included or any standard Allen key. Next, remove the brake line holder. It only keeps the line in place for a cleaner look. Now remove the front or rear fender, depending on which tire you're replacing. This makes the motor easier to remove. There are just 2 screws on each side, 4 in total. Remove them and the fender comes right off. Super easy. Now let's speed this up. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Fast forward as we remove the screws. At Voro, we work with all kinds of riders. That's why we record the full process, start to finish, so no steps get skipped. If you want to skip ahead, just fast forward. Need it slower? Use YouTube's playback speed setting. Now that the fender's off, remove the motor cable holder. It just keeps the cable in place. I take it off to make unplugging the motor easier. If you've made it this far, keep track of your screws. Don't lose them. And if you strip one, just bring it to a hardware store to match a replacement. Now unscrew the motor cable connector. If it's too tight, cover it with a cloth and use a wrench. It's designed for tools, but if your hands can do it, that works too. Next, loosen the swing arm nuts. There are 4 in total, 2 on each side. Now we just pry open the motor hooks. These hooks secure the motor in place in addition to the swing arm nuts. Next, use a rubber mallet to knock the axle out of the swing arms. Do not use a metal hammer. It can damage the threads, and that means replacing the whole motor. If a hammer is all you have, cover it with a cloth first. Now remove the 6 rotor screws. Use a hand Allen wrench, not power tools. Even our mechanics do, so you can control the strength and avoid stripping them. If one gets stripped, just bring a screw to a hardware store for a match. They're standard screws you can find almost anywhere. Flip the motor over with the axle facing the other side. Now release all the air from the valve. An Allen key works, or even a pen. Place a cloth against the rim to avoid scratches. Damaging the rim would be costly, and it's not covered under warranty. Then, use a set of $5 tire spoons to slowly pry the tire off. Watch the next minute to see how it's done. And please do not spray WD-40. We've seen too many customers do that, then forget to wipe it off, and the tire loses all friction. Use soapy water instead. It's safe and makes the tire slippery enough. And that's it. The tire is out. Next, I'll show you how to install the new one. Installing the tire is basically the reverse process. Let's break it down. Use your tire spoons to create leverage and make space for the motor to slide into the tire. Work a small section at a time. Don't try to force the whole thing at once. Get one spot seated, then move a little further around the rim and repeat. Bit by bit, you'll work your way around until the tire is fully on. Once one side is seated, repeat the process on the other side. Work section by section until the tire sits fully around the bead. This is the last hurdle. Once you get through this part, the rest is easy. You can even use zip ties to help. In this video, you'll see my mechanic call over another mechanic for backup. Let's just say he needs a bit more time in the gym. From here on, every step is just the reverse process. If you'd like the exact torque specs for the Daytona, You can find the full list on our website and in the user manual. Inflate to about 38, 42 tire pressure for street riding, or around 50 for off-road. In summer, go a little lower since air expands in the heat. In winter, add a bit more because air contracts in the cold. All right, that's it, folks. We'd love to know if these tutorials are helpful and worth us continuing to invest time and resources into. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you'd like us to cover next.